up, mamas? It is Mama Fit back with another video, and today we have a special guest. This is little Kyle. Say hello. Kyle, you want to be here? Hey. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Say hello. Is she here? Say hello, buddy. Not right now? Okay. So we're going to be doing a review and a tutorial on the Tuck and Bundle wrap. My favorite wrap. I've tried a couple wraps and none of them compare to Tuck and Bundle. So a few specs for the Tuck and Bundle wrap. It is 100% vegan. It is made from a fabric called modal. And that fabric is basically softer than cotton and made from a tree. So it's very breathable, not too thick but not too thin as well. Really great for us because it doesn't get too hot in it. And this one I wanted to open on camera. I just got this one. I also have it in the color sandstone. It's really easy to wrap, so I'll be demonstrating that as well. But I wanted to show you how it came packaged. So I just took it out of this package that Cal is now playing with. You want it? Don't eat it, baby. Don't eat it. So it comes like this, and one awesome thing about this company is it is veteran owned. I am really excited to support a company that is veteran owned. As you all know, my husband is also a veteran, and I always jump at the opportunity to support our troops. So again, this is Tuck and Bundle, and this one is in the pattern Ezra, and it's the stripe, the black and white stripe. And these are washer safe. Super cool. You can just throw it in the wash, throw it in the dryer, and then you're back. So it says machine wash on cold and tumble dry low, and you should wash it before your first use. And it also comes with the product registration. So we're gonna take it out of here. So we've been using Tuck and Bundle. Cal is 5 months now, but we've been using Tuck and Bundle since he was 3 weeks maybe, and he's grown with it. We have the sandstone color as well, which was my favorite because it goes with everything. It's a brown, and he's grown with it, and it was just lovely. It's perfect for when they're small, perfect for when they're growing. He still fits, and we still have a great time when he's wrapped. It was always so easy to do things in it. So I was first photographed in my sandstone Tuck and Bundle wrap when I was making brownies. It was muffins. I was making muffins, and Kyle really enjoyed skin to skin, and he didn't like sitting down or laying down. He wanted to be close to mama all the time. So wrapping him was the next best thing. So we wrapped him, and we went on to make muffins, and he went right to sleep. So that's the cool thing about this thing, is you can get chores done and the baby goes to sleep most of the time. With Kyle, he loves being next to mama, so when we put him in the wrap, he's asleep maybe 10 minutes after, so that's also a plus. So again, it's long fabric, not extremely long but not short either. And it's really cool because they have the plant-based leather label here in the middle, so it's easy to find the middle. I don't know if that's gonna focus so you can see that. And I'm gonna see if he will allow me to put him down so I can put him in the wrap now. You gonna let me, baby? So like I said, the label is where you can find the center of the wrap. So we're gonna grab that label. We're gonna put it right underneath our chest. And you're gonna bring the straps around. And you're gonna cross them in the back. When I cross them, I like to fan. So I'm gonna leave this up. I like to fan the two pieces out. And then I'm gonna put them over my shoulder. Like that. And then you can also make sure it's not twisted. Then you're gonna grab both, pull them up. You're gonna gather all of the material. Again, the label. And you're gonna put all of that fabric underneath the fabric with the label. You're gonna grab your two pieces and you're gonna cross them. And again, we're gonna make sure the stripes are on the outside. I'm gonna cross them in the back. And you wanna make it loose enough or as tight as you want, baby. Not too tight. You're gonna come back around front and then back around back. And I like to tie mine here, or you can just tie yours in the front after that first crossing. And that's how you put it on. Super cute. Now we're gonna try to put baby in. Come on, baby. Okay. You're gonna put baby on the shoulder that is opposite of the strap that is closest to your chest. So for me, that's my left. So I put baby on right shoulder, put baby in the left strap. And here, you want to make sure you put the strap over baby's shoulder and across baby's bum. So you want to do shoulder to knee. You want to make sure he's fully covered. And then we're going to do the same thing with the opposite side. Make sure he's fully covered. Whole bottom covered. Both knees secured. Then you're going to take the strap that is closest to your armpit and you're going to grab it, put baby's foot in, and that's also the strap with the label. You're going to leave it under baby's bum and you're going to wiggle the fabric all the way up to the back of baby's neck, and baby is secure. And so you want to make sure baby's knees are tucked in, and you can fan the shoulders or you can wear the shoulders up however you like, but that's how you wear baby.
Local Listings is brought to you by Macy's. No matter how we school, let's be ready.
And once baby is asleep, you can tuck baby's head whichever way is comfortable for baby. He's always favored the right side, so you can tuck baby's head on that side, Or if they turned head, you can tuck it on the opposite side. But he likes this side, and then you can just say hello, baby. Say hello. Say hello, baby. Alright guys, so it's so easy to use wrap. It's so great to have the wrap because it makes shopping and cleaning easy. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment box below. If you would like 10% off your purchase at Tuck and Bundle, you can use my coupon code, which is MAMAFIT10. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.